Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what many consider the best dorm room TV stand, the PERLESMITH Universal TV Stand, designed for 32 to 60-inch TVs and monitors. If you're living in a dorm or small apartment and need a reliable, stylish, and functional TV stand, this could be the perfect solution for you. The PERLESMITH Universal TV Stand supports a wide range of flat and curved screen TVs, including LCD, LED, and OLED models. It fits TVs from 32 inches up to 60 inches, and it can hold up to 88 pounds. That means it can easily accommodate most dorm-sized TVs or monitors without any issues. It also supports a variety of VESA mounting patterns ranging from 100 by 100 mm all the way up to 400 by 400 mm, so compatibility won't be a problem. One of the standout features of this TV stand is its height adjustability. It offers 6 different height levels thanks to 2 mounting bracket options combined with 3 height settings. This lets you customize the viewing experience based on your seating arrangement or desk height. Whether you're watching from your bed, a chair, or your desk, you can find a comfortable height that reduces neck strain and improves your overall viewing experience. The base is made from thickened tempered glass, measuring 15.7 by 9.4 inches with a slim 0.3-inch thickness. This not only adds a sleek and modern look to your setup but also ensures stability and durability. The tempered glass base is reinforced with alloy steel components to provide solid support and long-lasting strength. The black finish complements most decor styles, making it an attractive addition to any dorm room or small living space. Installation is straightforward and quick, taking roughly 15 minutes. It comes with all the necessary mounting hardware and a clear instruction manual. You won't need to drill any holes in your furniture or walls, which is perfect for dorm living where modifications might be restricted. The wire management system keeps your cables neat and tidy, helping you maintain a clutter-free setup. This TV stand is compatible with major TV brands like Samsung, Sony, LG, Insignia, Vizio, Haier, Toshiba, Sharp, Element, and TCL. So regardless of what TV you own, chances are this stand will work perfectly with it. In summary, the PERLESMITH Universal TV Stand offers a great balance of functionality, style, and ease of use, making it ideal for dorm rooms or any small space. Its sturdy tempered glass base, multiple height adjustments, and broad compatibility make it a standout choice for students or anyone needing a compact yet versatile TV stand. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product insights.